I'll be quiet.
Okay, so this is a quick recording just to show everybody how to do the Chapter 10 labs. I corrected the problem in Canvas. We were having an issue with the instructions not showing up. So they're now in Canvas. It's basically just 3 labs, pretty simple. Create a partition in Windows and Windows installation. You can do them all in VLab, which I'm going to quickly demonstrate. So first of all, you got to go to vlab.yccnt.org/UI. Matt, I'm going to use your account since you're here, just so that they can see the actual student view. You're 03, right?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. So you should have, for those that haven't completed the Ubuntu lab in some other fashion, I have a VM for that. You can just install Ubuntu in the VM. But for those that have done it, you don't need to worry about this one. Maybe until later, you might actually need to use that later, but for now, just worry about the install Windows 10. So this is where you're gonna do those 10.3 labs. If you power on the VM, it's gonna take you right into Windows installation. So we'll go ahead and open a web console here. They're not the quickest in the world, but better than nothing. And give it a second. So it takes you right into the intro page of the Windows installation. This is Matt's, so I'm gonna, I'll leave it running right there for you, Matt, so you can do your labs right now if you want.
Cool.
Actually, what's that?
I said, cool, thanks.
Okay, cool. So quick important note, there is a script running on the ESX server that shuts down any VMs that have been idle for longer than, I think it's 30 minutes. The reason why is so that anybody else who's in isn't slowed down. So the goal is to keep as few people accessing that server at a time. So it's good that, you know, people kind of do their labs throughout the day. So if you want to pick a really weird random time to do your labs, that's probably when you're going to deal with the fastest speeds on your VM. So like 2:30 in the morning is the best time to do it. Plus nobody else is using the internet at that time. So just for your information, if you leave it like this, for instance, Matt, if you leave it like this for too long, it's just going to shut it down. That's kind of just to keep things running smoothly when you have more people on there. So the fewer VMs that are running at a time, the better. So you can do the 10.2 lab in your normal Windows 10 VM right here. And that should do it. I think that's it. Matt, do you have any questions real quick? Things that you might think of that people might ask?
No, it's pretty straightforward. I mean,
I think so.
Clicking next, and then, you know.
Yeah, and if you get stuck, there are instructions here.
Yeah.
So they will help you. So I guess I will stop the recording there.